Hello students, welcome to Orange Workflow. Today we are starting an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how your phone unlocks by looking at your face? How YouTube suggests videos you may like? How Google Maps finds the fastest route? The answer is artificial intelligence. Now let's understand it in a very simple way. What is intelligence? Before learning AI, let's understand the word intelligence. Intelligence means the ability to learn new things, understand information, solve problems, make decisions. Humans use intelligence every day. For example, when it starts raining and you open an umbrella, you are making a smart decision. That is intelligence. Now, what is AI? Artificial means man-made and intelligence means the ability to think and learn. So artificial intelligence means a technology that helps machines to learn, think and make decisions like humans. Machines do not have real brains like us, but AI helps them perform some tasks that normally require human intelligence. Now next is, can machines really think? Not exactly. Machines do not think like humans. They do not have feelings. They do not have dreams like us. They do not understand emotions. But they can learn from our data. They can recognize patterns. They can make predictions. They can follow the instructions. That is why AI is often called machine intelligence. Now next topic is AI around us. Many students think that AI only exists in robots. Actually, AI is already around us. Let's see some examples. The first one is face unlock. It recognizes your face and unlocks. The phone compares your face with stored information. So this is AI, right? Now next is Google Maps. Google Maps can tell you the fastest route, traffic conditions, estimated travel time. AI analyzes a huge amount of information and helps us reach our destination faster. Now next example is of voice assistants. Have you used Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant? See, you speak, they listen. They understand your words, then they respond. So this is also AI. Now next is human intelligence versus AI. Let's compare. Humans are creative, no doubt. They are emotional, they can imagine, they can understand feelings. Whereas AI can do fast calculations, they have large memory, works continuously and finds patterns quickly. So humans and AI are different. AI is powerful, but humans are still smarter in many ways. So why do we need AI? AI helps us to save time, reduce mistakes, solve problems faster, analyze large amount of information. That is why AI is used everywhere, in schools, in hospitals, in banks, in social apps, in transportation, in shopping apps, and many other areas. Right? Now let's do one quick activity. Look around your home. Can you find 3 things that use AI? Just comment below, right? So now, whenever you use your phone, YouTube or Google Maps, remember that AI is working behind the scenes. In the next video, we'll learn about AI around us, that is the real life applications of AI. So if you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Orange Workflow. See you in the next class. Happy learning.